friends, this is Caroline of Caroline's Plans. Welcome back to my channel and welcome to a new plan with me for this past week, the first week of March, the 1st through the 7th. It's always nice when a new month begins on the 1st. This week, as you can see, I'm using the Anya kit, an Anastasia themed kit by Glam Planner. I was so excited to use this kit. I thought the art was perfect and I just love this movie. It's one of my favorites from childhood. I literally pulled it out of the mailer, pulled it out of the cello, hauled it, and put it down on the page the same day that it arrived in the mail. Just a couple things about the base. The Hello March script down here at the bottom is from Rose Colored Days. My bougie boxes throughout the spread are also from Rose Colored Days. The mortgage payment script there in the sidebar is from Station Stickers. The read script is from Scribble Prints Co. And the This Week and Next Week scripts are from Harriet Red Designs. Everything foil-wise is in gold this week. The quote box on Tuesday is from Scribble Prints Co. as well. You can see here that we kind of skipped over Tuesday and Wednesday. I just honestly didn't feel like filming my spread those days. If you have any questions about stickers or anything at all, feel free to leave questions in the comments. I also had to pull in 2 other sets of glitter headers since I didn't get the glitter header add-on for this spread, so I pulled in 2 different neutrals from a glitter header grab bag sheet from Scribble Prints Co. that I had before. This was a very exciting week for a few different reasons. It was a bit of a different week for me work-wise. We had an early release on Friday. I had 2 sort of special education centric meetings on Thursday and Friday afternoons, both of which I marked with a script from Letters to Apollo and emojis from the Coffee Monsters Co. I did a lot of walking / jogging on my new treadmill. If you didn't see my plan with me from last week, or maybe it was the week before, I can't remember what day it officially arrived, but we did have our Nordic track delivered recently, so I've been using that most days this week. The overlay that you see on Friday is from the Glitter Mama. I used another one of those earlier in the week, and I just love how these overlays look. I'm moving that movie marquee over to Saturday and switching it with this half box, and that half box will be to mark running our dishwasher on Friday evening. What else exciting happened? I did some reading. We took out all of the boxes and cardboard and stuff that were included with our treadmill. The treadmill, when it was delivered, came in a giant box, so it was rather difficult to break down. My husband spent a bunch of time breaking down that box on Saturday, so I marked that with a clean stuff script from Glam Planner and a little boxes sticker from the Once More with Love moving sheet. What else? Yeah, so different things going on at work. I did some reading this week. My what is she? She is my husband's, oh goodness, we just kind of call her my sister-in-law. She's my husband's cousin's wife. Her birthday was on Sunday, so we messaged her and we'll be planning to have a FaceTime with her and her husband and the kids next week for my husband's birthday, which is next Saturday. So we messaged her for her birthday on Sunday, and very exciting. My best friend's second baby was born on Friday afternoon. She was born on her due date. She's very punctual. And I've since seen a couple pictures of her. She is adorable and sleeps a lot. So I'm very excited and looking forward to meeting her when it is safe to do so. That little Hermione reading on Sunday is from One Ton in a Million. I used the grocery stickers from the kit to mark ordering our groceries on Sunday. I'm recording this voiceover on Monday morning, and our groceries will be delivered at some point today. I'm not exactly sure when. Yeah, I used a camera icon from the kit and an Edit Play With Me script from Letters to Apollo to mark editing this video. And my mom came over and brought lunch on Sunday, so I marked that with an emoji from the Coffee Monsters Co. and a family time script. Forgive the weird yellow lighting there for a second. I had some setting off on my phone camera. Here's a wiggle for you all. Thank you so much for watching this play with me. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please consider giving this video a thumbs up and subscribing to this channel, so you can come back for more if you like. I thank you so much for being here, and have a wonderful week. Peace, love, and happy planning, everyone. Bye bye.